Namaste everyone. Today we are going to learn about health issues. That means if your family is facing health issues, if you are facing health issues regularly, at that situation, which Vastu directions you have to check and which are the best remedies which will create a huge support in your life to remove all these health issues and health related problems. So the directions, if we first mention, that comes the north-northeast. That's basically a zone which comes under northeast and north, the center of that area. That's 23 degrees of your plot. That's called north-northeast. Here Lord Dhanvantri Devta is there, which is considered as Ayurvedic Devta. So if there is a toilet, kitchen or a main door or negative colors such as red color, pink color, orange color, at that situation this negative energies starts hampering your north-northeast direction vibration and you start feeling health issues regularly. So how to balance this direction? You can check in the link in the description box. And if we talk about remedies, the health booster is one of the best remedy to solve your health issues. That's basically a yantra. That's a 2x2 yantras. Yantras are symbolic designs and symbolic codings through which our subconscious mind aligns with the universe and universe starts manifesting your wishes. That means you start getting opportunities to solve your problems. So yantras are symbolic codings. It is a Mahamrutyunjay yantra. Along with this, you get a brass booster in which there are many crystals filled. Crystals are basically 9 planets and 7 chakras. Metal and crystal, both we receive from our environment. So any remedy which we receive from our environment are one of the most effective remedies in Vastu Shastra. And there's a healing symbol at the backside. So this 3 combination, wherever you will place, it will create a positive vibrations. And when you place a yantra above this, the booster energies starts creating positive energy and the yantra creates a direction for those energies. So when you place this in north-northeast direction, health related issues or any Vastu dosh which is creating health problems starts getting evaded and starts getting solved. But the first rule is to balance the direction. If the direction is balanced, then only this Vastu remedies are most effective. So how to balance? You can check in the link description below. And if you require this product, you can contact in the number given below to order these products. Along with this, if you want to check the Vastu of your home plan, then you can send your plan in the number given below. And after the correction, the complete Vastu remedies products you will receive in our office. And if you are interested in Vastu classes, that means how this Vastu Shastra, how our surroundings align with us, support with us, how does these energies affect our problems and manifest our wishes and all. That means by our elders, always we hear that your friend circle, your surrounding people should be powerful and smart. The reason is because how you're surrounding, your mind related frequency starts relating with them. So for example, if you are in a dark room where everywhere there are cracks, there are negative energies, then you don't start feeling to work at your true potential. But similarly, your plot is made according to the Vastu Shastra. That means the light colors are used, the toilet placement, kitchen placement, main door placement, everything is perfect. So whenever you stay in this surrounding, you'll start getting that positive vibes and all to get motivated and work a lot. So this Vastu Shastra, it basically helps you in aligning with your space. That means aligning with your land energies. And once it's aligned, you start receiving opportunities in your life. Along with this, in this courses, more than 350 remedies we are going to learn. And basic to advanced, that means if you are just a beginner who has a curiosity to learn about Vastu Shastra, from there to the professional knowledge, you will start learning in this course. Then 45 Devtas. Basically 45 Devtas is an advanced part in which pinpoint remedies, that means a particular problem, which degrees are connected, which devtas are connected, and by activating those, you start receiving your solutions and all. And aura scanners and pendulums. These are basic dowsing tools through which we can sense the energies and all. That means this aura booster we have to use or not use, where we have to place for the best remedies and best directions to activate these energies. This all questions and all you can answer with aura scanners and pendulums. So this complete content you are going to learn in this course. For more information, you can check the description box and contact in the number given below to enroll in these courses. Thank you for watching this whole video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and do comment the next video related to which problems or which myth you want to clear them. I'll surely make the videos related to that. So do comment in the comment section and do subscribe my channel so that you can transform your life in a positive way. So thank you.